Hello and welcome to today's organic chemistry class. For this class, we're looking at how to name compound in skeletal form. Alright, let's say we're having a compound in this form. This is said to be a skeletal form of naming compound. Usually, we have dealt with how to name compound, right, in formula form, right, and condensed form. Let's look at how to name compound in skeletal form as in this form this way. So first task. Note that each edge represents a carbon atom, right? So rule 1 is to get the total number of carbon atom, right? So let's count this, please. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A 6th carbon atom is called the X. So rule 1, that's what X for 6 carbon atom. Rule 2 is to observe the functional group. Of course, it's simply a stroke. It's an what? An alkane. So just a stroke. Observe this, please. If I have a stroke this way, this what? An alkene, double bond. But I just show you this does not have an alkene, but I'm just showing you that something like this exists. So if you have something like this is what? An alkene. So this, but if I have a single bond like this, is what? An alkane. So the second those foods what? An alkane. Alkane. Rule 3 now says your numbering. Now, if I want to do my numbering, I have bromine. See this up, listen up. Bromine, chlorine, and fluorine are called substituents, right? Because they are not part of the parent hydrocarbon. Now, how do you name this? Observe for my bromine, chlorine, fluorine. Bromine comes first before chlorine, Abi. That is B comes before C, right? So here's the concept. I'll take the least or lowest possible number to bromine. So look up. If I'm to count like this now, this becomes 1. Do my numbering. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So observe when I did my upper numbering, bromine is carbon 1. If I do my left right hand side, this is 1, 2, 3. Yes, carbon 3. So the least is 1. So now if I want to name this compound now, this becomes start with this. This is 1 bromo, 4 bromo abi. That becomes 1, 4 dibromo. Di is 2. I have to bromine here. That becomes 1, 4 hyphen dibromo. Alright, another bromine. What's the chlorine? 5 chloro hyphen 5 hyphen chloro what? Hexane. Hexane. So this compound is called 1,4-dibromo 5-chlorohexane. Let's name this compound here and let's get this. Alright, the first task, count the total number of carbon atoms. So we said each edge represents carbon atom. So this comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 7. Like this is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 9. It's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the longest is what? Is 9. In between, yes, it's carbon atom. So in between 6 this way and 9, this which is the longest? Of course, 9. So rule 1, 9 is what? A non. No name. 9 is none. Rule 2 says, of course, there's just a stroke. That's what? An alkane. Alkane. What's rule 3? Do your numbering. In this case, say I have bromine, I have fluorine, I have chlorine, I have fluorine, Abi. So we have to ensure that our number, we must have the least number to bromine first. Now I'm still only bromine here. If I do my numbering from here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Abi. Do my numbering from here. I have 5, Abi. From here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's same 5. So I can choose to go either left or right. So this becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's name this compound. How do you name it, please? So start with bromine. You should name them alphabetically order. B come before C before F. So let's start with bromine, please. This becomes what? 5 bromo. So I have 5 bromo. What next there? So chlorine, I've named bromine. Let's move to chlorine. That becomes what there? 3 4 dichloro. 2 is di, there are 2. That becomes 3 4 dichloro. What next there? After chlorine, what is fluorine? 7 8 yes, difluoro. That becomes 7 8 7 8 difluoro. What next there? Nonane. The 9, the nonane. So that becomes nonane. So the compound is called 3 bromo 3 4 dichloro 7 8 difluoro nonane. So that I name this compound in skeletal form. All right. That's your task. This is I name compound in skeletal form. All right. Yes. So you try this one at home and put your answer in the comment section. You try this and leave your answer in the comment section, please. So try this. You try this. You try this. Name it for me. Yes, chlorine. Yes, bromine. Yes, iodine. Yes, fluorine. Let's put here as bromine. All right. You try to name this one and leave your answer in the comment section. I'll reply you as fast as I can. So ensure that we said all these bromine, fluorine, chlorine are substituents, and if you want to name them, start with B before C. Name them alphabetically order, right? That's the concept, please. Like imagine in this case now, I didn't put chlorine first before naming bromine. I named bromine first before what? Naming chlorine in alphabetical order. And observe again how I separated number from number using comma, number from letter using hyphen, right? And observe that I didn't start my letter with capital letter. You start a letter in between numbers and hyphen with what? A small letter. So observe my writing, please. Very important. So it's one thing to know how to name. It's still another thing to know how to write name of compound correctly, please. So this is work, please. This is how you write the name of organic compound. Separate number from alphabet using hyphen, number from number using comma, and that's how it works, please. All right. See you in our next class when we look at yet isomerism.